Nagarjuna said, if you desire ease, forsake learning, meaning if we are always desirous of and possessive and obsessive about ease, contentment, satisfaction, and leisure, then we can never actually learn anything of meaning, value, significance, worth, or character either in our lives. And that means if we always want, desire, or crave relaxation, comfort, ease, contentment, or leisure under all circumstances and situations, then we can never and we will never be able to learn anything that's actually meaningful, significant, worthy, valuable, etc. in our whole lives. And that's why it becomes fundamentally important, imperative, and indispensable for all of us that we focus primarily not on the development of integrity, morality, character as foundations to our actions, mentality, but also emphasize the development of authenticity, sovereignty, individuality, and indifference that helps us regulate our actions, behavior, mentality, and prevents responses, outcomes, and reactions of aggression, arrogance, and other dangerous behaviors as well, and moderates the extremes of emotions as well. And alongside all this, we basically also have to prioritize the learning process despite our internal tragedies, setbacks, downfalls, etc., or external barriers, societal hypocrisy, stereotyping, conditioning, or governmental restrictions. We cannot afford to stop our own learning from our own actions, behaviors, and setbacks, failures, etc. There is always a source of learning from our own actions, behaviors, alongside the external relationships and communications as well. But the thing is, we cannot have the willingness or the desire to want or crave anything that's content or leisure or comfort or relaxation, because if it's always about comfort, relaxation, and leisure, then how can we learn anything at all? So basically, we have to have the willingness, the determination, the drive that tells us and encourages us to not only continue to move forward, but persistently and consistently focus on the learning process, the learning of character, enhancing of attitude, action, and so on and so forth, without desiring any kind of ease, simplicity, leisure, pleasure, contentment, satisfaction,